how to make a photo collage from multiple photos in gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gallery app. After click on Gallery app, click on Pictures and click on this three dot icon and click on Select. After click on select pictures from here. After select picture, click on create, and if you want to create collage, click on collage. So you will select collage from here. So you will see. After adjust, click on save. You will see your collages here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can make a photo collage from multiple photos in gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.